Everybody wants to be successful in life, and this often involves being successful in terms of our finances. In the book The Path by Peter Mallouk and Tony Robbins, they share their expertise and offer strategies on how to achieve financial freedom. This book does not only talk about saving money, but it also challenges us to examine our perspective in managing our finances as a whole. Here are the top 7 lessons from the book The Path. Lesson 1. Choose your financial advisor wisely. Today, there are a lot of financial advisors around us who offer their services. Although we can easily select one out of the many options, it's actually a very crucial decision to make. Choosing the best financial advisor requires us to scrutinize whether they will really help us achieve our financial goals, or just put earnings commissions their priority. A financial advisor does a lot of important tasks, like helping us set financial goals, monitoring our plans, planning our business, and even helping us overcome our debts. Thus, it's best to choose a financial advisor who sets our interests first, gives relevant advices, and who could really be trusted. Lesson 2. Prepare for rainy days. Family is the top reason why people strive to become financially stable. Everyone wants the best for their families. However, we encounter circumstances beyond our control, just like having a disability or losing a job. Thus, we have to prepare ourselves for such unforeseen yet possible events. Mallouk and Robbins suggest that we need to be capable to manage these risks, and this can be done by having a secure savings plan. This can be in the form of insurances which will keep our needs covered whenever our income takes a downfall. This also requires us to practice discipline in how we spend our money, making sure that we prioritize our needs rather than wants, so that we could be capable of saving money and investing for the future. Lesson 3. Plan it right. Having a solid financial plan allows us to save money and secure our future. This involves deciding about a lot of things like knowing the right avenues to invest our money, monitoring our assets, and even planning what we would do with these and who would benefit from it once we're gone. These are important plans we need to put in place right at the start so that we would be assured that everything we worked hard for will be secured for our family. According to Mallouk and Robbins, if we do not plan accordingly, other people may benefit from our assets, or we may lose them, and that's something that we do not want to happen. Lesson 4. Set financial goals. Where do we really want to be in terms of financial success? This is a question we should clearly answer first, before starting the journey towards financial freedom. Our future depends on the goals we have set for ourselves, and these goals will dictate the actions we would take every step of the way. We can discuss this with our family, and we may even ask the help of financial experts in setting up our financial goals. The book also encourages us to put our goals into writing through a financial portfolio, where we could document our journey towards the financial freedom we desire. Lesson 5. Learn the Albert Einstein style. Contrary to popular opinion, financial freedom is not really the amount of money we earn from our savings and investments, but rather, it's a state of mind. We may work earnestly and save diligently so that one day we'll get what we want without financial constraints. However, financial freedom does not happen overnight. It takes several years for most people to reach that point, and if we ever want to be a millionaire, it is doable if we start early. This is based on what Albert Einstein calls as the 8th wonder of the world, or the compound interest. Accordingly, when we let our investments grow every year, then we can enjoy the benefits of compound interest and find ourselves becoming millionaires in due time. Lesson 6. Avoid investment mistakes. Investing our money is the best way to accumulate long-term wealth. However, if we do not have proper or clear investment goals, our time and money will turn into nothing. The book enlightens us to gear up ourselves with information on how to invest our assets properly. It's necessary for us to study the market first before we buy any stock. Investing to a stock market without solid knowledge on how it works will likely lead us to the worst scenario. Furthermore, we're advised to regularly monitor and evaluate our investments so as not to lose track of it. Lesson 7. Enjoy and share your wealth. Once we've achieved financial freedom, the next thing is to enjoy it and share it with our families and friends. The book motivates us to enjoy what we've worked from saving, investing, and managing our finances. Spending time with our loved ones and sharing to others what we have will give us true happiness that money cannot buy. In conclusion, although there are a lot of books about financial freedom, this book is different in that it inspires us to establish a different mindset that will lead our way to financial stability in a simple yet creative way of writing. They even used illustrations and true experiences for the reader to deeply understand the content of the book. Although financial freedom cannot be achieved overnight, this book explains how to make it possible. Setting financial goals, choosing the best financial advisor, having life plans and investments. This book also emphasizes that time is important and that if we start our journey to financial freedom early, we'll also reap the fruits of our labor earlier and get to enjoy it and share it with others for a longer period of time. Thank you for listening. If you like the book summary and you want to see more in this category, please like and subscribe so I can create more. You can also get a free copy of the entire audiobook by clicking the link in the description. Until next time.